Hello everyone. This is the second video of a PHP series. As I explained in a previous video, PHP execute on the server side. The link of the first video is available in the description box. So to execute the PHP script locally, we need to install the server. In this video, we will install the Xampp server. You can also use any other server. Let's start. Download the Xampp server. The link is provided in the description box. Now double click on the Xampp setup file and click on next. In this page, select components that you want. For all service, select all the components. Here I select all the components and click on next. Now select the installation path and click on next. Simply click on next. Click on next to install the setup. Now wait to complete the installation. Click on finish to complete the installation. Now to check Xampp is working or not, we need to open the Xampp control panel. Now start service from Xampp by click the start button. The next step is open your web browser and search 127.0.1. 127.0.1. Here you can see the dashboard of Xampp. That means your Xampp working properly. If you face any problem, then don't forget to comment. So in upcoming videos to write PHP script, we use Notepad++. You can also use any other IDE. Now we see the basic opening and closing PHP tags. So here the question is why we need to learn the various tags. All the PHP code is written within a particular PHP tag. So we must know the different tags. There are 4 different pair of opening and closing tags which can be used in a PHP. First one is a standard PHP tag. It starts with a less than and question mark and PHP keyword and with a question mark and greater than. Within this tag we can write our code. This is the most common used tag. Second is a script tag. The format of this tag is look like any HTML tag. Here I show how it's look. Last two are short tag and ASP tag. To use that tag we need to enable it via the php.ini configuration file. In our upcoming video we will use a standard PHP tag. If you have any question then let me know by comment. Thank you.